And now you think I'm trash?
No. Don't use words like that on yourself, my dear. It's a good thing you told him. Kofi is tough, but I know how his mind works. He is going to analyze things as usual, and he will come to understand why you have hesitated in telling him. Okay? The key thing is that you came out, where many would have balked. Many a weak-kneed person would have kept quiet. You didn't do that. Right? Please. Don't pick it up if you don't want to.
No.
Akweley. Hello?
Hello. May I please speak with Mrs. Ganah, please? My name is Akweley.
Hello, my daughter. This is Adobea, Kofi's mom.
Oh, yes, ma.
Amma is not available to talk. Would you like to leave a message?
Well, she has 2 meetings pending. Is everything okay? She would have called me.
Amma is fine. Just a temporary hiccup. Akweley, you man the office as best as you can, okay?
I'll do that, but the challenge is I'm not getting through to Mr. Ganah either. The protocol is that I call him whenever Madame is unavailable. And he also has a client waiting.
I told you he's bolted.
Ma?
Akweley, I know you are capable and resourceful. Hold the fort. I'm sure you'll hear from one of them very soon. After all, you do most of the research work.
I'll take charge, ma.
Great. I know I can count on you.
Everything will be fine. Thank you.
Now we'll mansiono.
Buffer day, plenty day. I go day. Buffer day, even a rainy day. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be balaba, it no be wahala. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be balaba, it no be wahala. Yeah, bye, 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 bye. Solutions, ramen koda.
I hope you're all doing fine.
Oh, yes. Akweley, what is all this for? Early morning mental.
Oh, it's just a random test we give to all our clients. We would like to keep you sharp, that's all. Madam, the time is up.
Akweley Sergeant Major. Hey!
Look, no pain, no gain. Please, let's go to the boardroom.
In fact, this is really interesting.
All right.
Hey, girl. Pull yourself together. This is not the end of the world. Unless you make it so.
Adobea, I'm the worst person in the world. I have destroyed everything we have. He's given me nothing but love and kindness. God, the sweetest man I've ever known. And what have I done? I just keep giving him pain and hurt after hurt.
No, that is not true. I would not be here with you if I didn't think you were good enough for my son. Alright? His past few years with you are the happiest I have seen him. It's obvious he has a spring in his step when he's close to you.
Now he thinks I'm a fraud.
You made a mistake in the past. That's all.
Adobea, you should have seen the look on his face. I've hurt him so much. He just got up and just walked out of here.
Please.
I mean, are you alright?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Hello, Mr. Bansah.
Amma, we've been expecting you. It's a done deal. The contracts have already been signed.
What?
Listen, the Bansahs have agreed to our proposal. They've signed their part. I was waiting for you to come so we can sign our part.
No!
Wait, come again?
Where is Lydia?
She's in the States. She should be back by next week. I mean, that shouldn't be a problem, should it?
I am not signing this until Lydia gets back.
We'll be in touch. I'll get to the bottom of this.
Yeah, but I mean, take it easy. I'm sure it's nothing serious. All right?
Okay.
All right. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
All right?
Kofi, please. Let me explain. There's something I have to tell you.
What is it that you have to tell me that we can't talk about it right now? But why did you refuse to sign?
Kofi, please, can we just get home and then we talk about this? You understand better, okay? Please.
Amma.
My darling George, I miss you so much. Especially now that I have a part of you growing inside me. I'm happy, but sad at the same time.
Are you certain you want to do this?
Kofi, I am so sorry.
You kept this away from me for weeks. Now that's wicked.
Kofi,
Why didn't you tell me the minute to walk out of the offices?
because I was afraid.
Afraid? Afraid of what? Or better, of whom? Afraid?
Adobea, I've never seen him so angry. He just stood up and left. He's not coming back.
He will come back. Kofi is too smart to throw everything away just over this matter. He will come back.
Then why isn't he back already? Where did he sleep? More importantly, he hasn't even turned up for work. Adobea, you and I know Kofi. He boasts you be found working, even when dead.
That should tell you that he will come back. He'll come back.
Today, your guy is on fire. Oh.
Charlie, no busy. As I pass, I try catching. I don't mind me cry. It pay me like that, no. Very much like him. He's been working out for the past 2 hours.
What?
Good.
Solutions,
As you can see, you have all your company details here. Let's go through it one last time before we lock it down, okay?
Wow. I can't believe it's so simple and straightforward. Proper use of technology.
Exactly. Now that you send them your company particulars, they will send you a notification, and then you can use the electronic version to do business, or you print out the certificate and frame it. Voila, you're in business. Please go through it for the very last time. I'll be with you shortly, okay? Just a minute. Okay. Mama sweet!
Akweley, ma.
Good to see you.
Tete.
Fano hear me.
Dalashi.
I didn't know you could speak Ghana so well.
Oh, after selling Wache for 20 years, I speak most of the languages.
Wow, that's impressive.
But where's my daughter? I haven't seen her since yesterday, so I've been waiting to see her car pull up since morning.
Mr. and Mrs. Ganah have some domestic engagements, but they'll be here soon.
Really?
Yes.
So you are here alone, all by yourself?
Yes, I'm actually seeing to some clients right now in the boardroom.
Oh, good. Oh, so you are very capable.
Thank
I'm very
you.
capable.
Thank you.
But you must need some help. Who man the front desk?
Oh, I'm fine. I'll manage.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What about Papa? Who will pick him from school? Hey, you know something?
Hello.
I'll send my girl. That one who smiles a lot.
Okay.
I'll let her come and help you. You can train her small.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you go.
Thank you.
Go
Thank you very
I'll
much.
let her come right now.
Okay.
Solutions,
where I am. I love you, baby. You do this. Such a bundle of energy. Don't you want to have one? Amma. The boy.
Oh.
Look, we should make one. Look, a boy or a girl first. I don't care. Like, whichever one comes first.
He's a handsome boy.
Okay.
But we have to plan properly. We just started setting up solutions, and the business needs 100% concentration.
So you're saying we should wait?
What do you think?
Well, you make a sound argument. Maybe the business needs 100% of our attention right now. 2 years?
Something like that.
Come on, 2 years.
I said something like that.
You want to cheers let's cheers a smoothie onto that one. Cheers a smoothie. Nobody cheers a smoothie, we cheers a smoothie.
You won't have lots of children?
Oh yeah, lots of not at the same time, like one at a time.
Why don't we start with one a year at a time? Good night, Kofi.
Hey. You know what is going on? Give me a hand. We always talk about everything. Please don't shut me off.
We're a happy couple, right? So let's just stay a happy couple.
A happy couple with lots of children. I know what we said, but if you change your mind...
Do you want to change your mind?
Well, no, it's just that when I had a couple talk
talk so much about children, it just makes me want to have one of my own.
Kofi, I thought you said you wanted us to stabilize the company first.
I know.
Okay then. Good night.
But if we tried...
Good night, Kofi.
Wow, Akweley, this one-stop shop is really awesome.
Welcome to the new dawn.
Thank you.
Shall we?
Thank you very much, Akweley. I'll definitely be in touch.
You're welcome. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Thank you. Oh, what a sight for sore eyes. Look, your timing couldn't have been better.
Sister Akweley, Mama made me go and change. I would have come earlier.
Good thing, you look the part. Some upgrade, eh? First task, my son. You have to go and pick him up from school. You know, I cannot leave. Don't worry, I'll call the school, okay?
Okay.
And when you come back, I'll take you through a crash course on front desk management. You have 2 key elements right, so my sister, you pass. A decent dress and a nice smile. Look, you can't get it wrong. Smile broadly, okay? Please, go and pick him up for me, okay? Thank you so much. Yes.
Akweley's report. Everything went very well in the office today. You still haven't touched the soup.
Adobea, I can tell there's something wrong with Kofi. I can feel it in my stomach.
Yamin Pengu. Tasty. Try it.